First one, you cannot use the prime factorization method for this question because 547 is a prime number itself.
Okay.
Right. I think the question must be wrong. You please show me the question. Where did you see the question from?
I don't have the question with me. Once I get the paper back, I can show you.
Okay, it was asked in your school.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure it was 547?
547 or I don't know.
No, of
54.
course, you need to be sure with the question.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I think
once you get the
547
paper
is
back,
zero.
if you once you get the paper back, please show me the question from there. Okay.
Ma'am, I think 547 zero.
5470. Yeah, 5470 should shall be multiplied with 2.
Yes, ma'am.
You can get the prime factorization of 5470. See, it makes a lot of difference if it is a 0 at last.
Yeah,
You can divide it by 2.
ma'am.
Okay. Now Amar has joined. Okay, so what were we doing in our previous class? Square and square roots, it's done. Cubes and cubes roots is also done. We started with data handling. Okay. So do you guys have any doubts regarding data handling chapter?
No, ma'am.
Very nice. Just give me a minute and connect. Okay, so what all we studied in data handling? Please tell me. Let's revise quickly.
Ma'am, we started with the pictograph,
Okay.
normal bar graph, and double bar graph.
Okay, so what was the pictograph used for?
Like an image was given and how much like
Yeah. Tell me.
the picture had a number like for a car, for example, one car equals to five cars.
No, that thing is fine, but why is pictograph used for? That I'm asking. What is the use for pictograph?
Mostly pictograph is used for like for selling items, like those kind of questions.
Pictograph is basically used in the type of questions which involves numbers, like number of anything. Okay, when we are counting anything, then we use pictograph. Okay, what was the use for double bar graph?
And double bar graph is basically
Uh,
if
Double bar graph is used when
When we have to compare.
two things come in one.
Yeah. Basically, when we are trying to compare. Okay, today we shall be starting with pie charts. Okay, now what are pie charts? See what happens whenever we are drawing a graph in a circular format, that is known as a pie chart. Okay,
yes,
I'll give you an example. Like you have a circle, and what you're trying to represent is that consider that these are 24 hours of your sleep of your day. So it says that you sleep for 8 hours, you go to school for 6 hours,
6 hours.
then you play for 3 hours, then you do the other activities like you can have food, you can go to the washroom, you can talk to anybody. So that is for 3 hours again. And the remaining 4 hours, you do
Study.
your homework. Okay, you do your homework or you study. Now, what are we trying to study here is that see in total how many hours we had? We had 24 hours in a day. So we have divided our 24 hours into different time slots. And in those time slots, we are trying to do all our daily work. Okay, like we are sleeping for 8 hours, we are going to school for 6 hours, we are playing for 3 hours. So, see, 8 is more than 6. That is why the proportion over here, right? The proportion over here, this portion is bigger than all the other portions because 8 is more than 6. Now 6 is more than 3. So 3 and 3, this one and this one are equal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 6 and 4, 6 is greater, so this one should be greater. Now what happens? Why are we doing this? Basically, okay, um, in a pie chart, what we do is we try to divide a circle into such a manner that it is representing some data. Okay, like here, what kind of data are we trying to gather? That how
The
are we
daily
spending,
activities.
yeah, on the daily activities. Fine. So now, like several questions can be asked to you. That what is the proportion for the hours spent in sleeping? So what is the proportion for hours spent in sleeping? So whenever
8
the
hours.
fraction, please listen first. Whenever the fraction is asked to you, what are you going to do? You are simply going to write the number that is mentioned here. Like here for sleep, it is 8 hours. So write 8, and what is the total number of hours?
24
24.
24. So this is
into
the,
360.
no, you're not going to divide by 3. Why are you doing 360? We just have to find the fraction.
Simplified with 2.
Yeah. So you will get 1 by 3. Okay. So 1 by 3 is the fraction of the time you have spent on sleeping. Fine. If they ask you what is the fraction of the time that you spent in school, so for school it will be 6 upon 24, because 24 is the total number. Then 6 into 4 is 24. So you'll get your answer as 1 by 4. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
They can ask you several questions regarding these pie charts. You should know how to understand the pie chart. Okay. Now we
Yes,
shall
ma'am.
be moving ahead and we'll do one more question. Okay. Like you have again a pie chart, and it is given that in a school there are 50% boys and 50% girls. Now what is the proportion for boys and proportion for school? I'm sorry, boys and girls.
100%.
50 by
100%.
100.
See, now first of all, previously it was just numbers. Like we had been given 8 hours, then we had to find the fraction. But here, number is not given to us. But instead, what is given to us? Percentage is given to us. So whenever percentage is given to us, we will always divide by 100. Our total will be 100. So boys percentage will be 50 upon 100. That is equal to 1 by 2. And girls is also 50 by 100, which is equal to 1 by 2 only. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, so this way we can solve this. Now one more thing we have, like let's consider transport to school. So like consider the person has to walk 40% of the time. They use a bus or a car 40% of the time, and the remaining 20% the kid cycles. Now it is given to you that what is the fraction of time that the person is walking or going in a bus or a car or cycling. So how will you find the
100.
fraction?
For, we have to
50 plus
divide the
100.
number by
By
100.
yes. So for walking you will do 40 upon 100. For bus or car also you will do 40 upon 100. For cycling you will do 20 upon 100. Fine.
Yes.
So convert them in simplest form.
2 by 5. 2 by 3. By 5.
Okay. This is how you're going to solve this.
Now,
I'll ask you one more.
now for constructing a pie chart, we need that protractor, compass, and all.
Aswan, please, you need to pay attention what I'm teaching in the class. I haven't reached to that topic yet. Right now, I'm not teaching you that thing. I'm only teaching you how to read the pie charts. If you know, then very good. Please pay attention in the class. Do not run after the syllabus. We will come to all of that. We will be studying all of that. Okay, don't worry. Now, next thing we have is like I'll give you a pie chart and you have to study that. Let's consider that we have this pie chart. I divide it into half. So this is entertainment. 50%. Sports, 25%. Then you have informative content, 10%, and news, you have 15%. This means this pie chart is representing that the amount of time the person is requiring to watch the television. And in television, what are they watching? Like they're watching entertainment for 50% of the time. For sports, they watch 25% of the time. 25% they are watching sports. 15% of the time news, and only 10% of the time they are watching some informative content. Okay. Now, like I can ask you several questions. Like which type of the programs are viewed the most? So tell me, which type do you think is the viewed the most?
Entertainment.
Entertainment is viewed
50%
most.
intimate.
What are you saying, Amar?
Entertainment.
Yeah, which two type of programs have the same number of viewers equal to those watching sports channel?
What more? Can you repeat the question?
Which two channels have the same viewers as that of sports channel? Means which of,
Informative and news.
yeah, so when you will add when you will add these both, you will get 25%, which is equal to sports.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Then okay, then also find the fraction. This is 50 by 100, which is 1 by 2. Right. This is 25 by 100, which is 1 by 4. This is 10 by 100, which is 1 by 10. And this is 15 by 100, which is 3 by 2. Okay. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
shall we doing drawing pie charts? Okay. Now we till here we studied how to read a pie chart, that whenever a pie chart is given to us, how can we read the pie chart? But now we shall be drawing pie charts on our own. So let's consider that you have a data which says that a person likes chocolate, that there are various students in the class and 50% of the students like chocolate. Just a second. So 50% of the students like chocolate, then 25% of the students like vanilla, and only the rest 25% likes other flavors. Now you have to draw a pie chart for it. So how are you going to draw a pie chart?
Now, and you will have to find the center angle.
Yeah, now you have to find the angle. See, in order to find the pie chart, draw a pie chart, you need to know the angles, right? That at what angle the certain line must be drawn. What does drawing angle mean? See, first of all, let's draw more to this table. First, we should find the fraction. Okay, so the fraction of 50 will be
50 by 100.
1 by 2.
1 by
100.
2.
What will be for 25?
1
Ma'am,
by 4.
1 by 4.
Again, 1 by
1 by
4.
4.
Now you have to find the angles. So for finding the angles, now you will multiply this fraction with 360. So just multiply 1 by 2 into 360. What you will get?
Ma'am, 2 can be divisible by 3. 180.
Right? You will get 180 degree. Then divide 1 by 4 with 360. You will get 90 degree. Again, 1 by 4 with 360. You will get 90 degree. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
That means, okay, do you guys have a protractor?
Ma'am, can I go take it? Take it?
Okay, both of you please go bring your protractors.
I'm back.
Okay, brought. Amar, you also have a protractor now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first of all, do you guys know how to use a? Just a second. Okay, do you guys know how to use a compass?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first of all, take your compass, just attach your pencil with it and draw a circle. Draw a circle of any radius, but it should not be very small. Draw a circle of some appropriate radius.
Done, ma'am.
Show me the circle, both of you. Okay, nice. Amar, you also show.
Ma'am, okay. One minute.
Okay, fine. Now, see, I'll also draw a circle. Now we have a circle with us. Like, consider this is the center. You guys must be getting your centers with the help of that the compass, where you place the tip of the compass. That is your center. Please mark the center.
Yes,
Center is the point where you kept the tip of the compass. Okay, mark the center. Now take out your D scale.
now which scale?
The protractor.
Okay, ma'am.
Amar, you also take out your protractor.
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay,
do
see,
it.
now I'm telling you how to keep your protractor. So first of all, please draw a straight line. Just draw a straight line till here, one radius. You can draw anywhere. You can draw on the right hand side as well. You can draw it anywhere. We drew a straight line. Now, can you see the zero? See, your protractor looks something like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it looks something like this. Then you have a zero mark over here.
Yes.
Have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 going from here to here till 180-degree. And again, you
Yes,
have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 going from here to here again till
yes,
180-degree. Right?
Yes.
Now, see the point where now keep your compass this line, this point. Look here, this point over here should be kept over this center.
ma'am. Kept.
Okay, now you if you have drawn to the right hand side, okay, just consider the numbering from here. One should lie over here. Okay, consider the numbering from here.
Yeah, so 180. So we have to start from the beginning.
Yeah, you have to start from beginning. Your one should be here. See, there should be one over here and one. See, if you have kept your compass over here, I'm sorry, protractor over here, you should get this type of situation. There should be
Yes,
one
ma'am.
over here and 180, and there should be 180 over here and one. Do you have these numberings?
Yeah,
Yes,
zero
ma'am.
should be there, right?
Yeah, zero. Okay. You have these
Yes,
numberings with
ma'am.
you. Now
Yes,
I
ma'am.
considered this line. I considered this line. Okay, this one. So that means I will consider, if I consider this line, if you have drawn one line like this, you will consider zero. Okay, do not take 180, take zero. Now starting from 0, first of all, you had to draw for chocolate. So for chocolate, you have 180 degrees. So starting from 0, count till 180. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You will have 180 at last. So mark the point where it is written 180 on the compass, on the protractor.
Ma'am, we can do in any order, right?
No, you can't do that in any order. You
Ma'am,
have
I'm telling like, ma'am, I'm telling like without starting chocolate with the first, can you start vanilla with the
yeah,
first?
you can start. Yeah, you can. But always try to start with the biggest one, right?
Yes, ma'am. So it will be much easier.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Done.
Have you marked this point? Amar, have you marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Now just join this point to the center. Now you have this portion is chocolate. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish.
Okay. Now keep your compass again, your protractor again at this point, but now it should be aligned like this. Okay. The 0 should be aligned towards this line because you have a new basis. So it should be aligned like this. The 0 should be aligned with this line, this new line that we're getting. Okay. So your compass should be something like this. Look here. You have got a new line over here. So your compass should be aligned with this new line. So it should be like this. Like this. In this way, you should keep your compass. You should get a 0 here and 180 here, and a 180 here and 0 here. Are you getting this? Can you keep your compass like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep your compass in this manner. Now, just tell me, just a minute. Oops. Now you, no, I'm sorry. You don't have to keep your compass like this. You have to keep your compass in a
Yeah.
manner that you
Keep
get
the
0 over here.
uh,
What are you saying?
opposite, right?
Yeah, opposite. So that you should start your 0 from this point. You should get your 0 should be like this from this point. Show me your notebook. Show me your notebook. Um, a little upwards. Amar, a little upwards. Just one of you show me your notebook. Okay, Aswan, show. Just bring it little closer. Yeah, show. One of you show your notebook. Okay. You had to draw a circle. Okay, fine. Amar's is correct. Aswan, I can see yours. Aswan, bring it closer. Okay, fine. It's correct. Now, see, keep holding it. Keep holding it in that way only. I should be able to see that. Okay, Amar, you also look here. Keep holding it. Okay, bring it closer. Yeah. Bring your protractor in another hand. Okay. Now keep your protractor in such a manner from the new line. Which is the new line? No, reverse it. Reverse the protractor. Reverse the protractor. No, Aswan, like this. See, it should be matching with this line.
Ma'am.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay, good. Now the center should align with this. The 0, the center should align with the center. Is it aligning? Okay. Now you have this as your new line. So start from here, 0 here. And what you have to mark? You have to mark 90 degree. So just mark 90 degree. You will get 90 degree somewhere here. Amar, are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you'll get 90 degree over here. So just draw a new line.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Now again, keep your protractor in this manner. Center should be here and it should be like this. And starting from 0 from here, you should get 90 degree over here. That means this arc is also 90. Just measure the last arc.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Okay. So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
we
Correct.
have chocolate as 180 degree, vanilla. Write down vanilla over here and write down other flavors over here. So now you have the pie chart with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me both of you. Okay, very nice this one. What about you, Amar? Show.
Ma'am, vanilla, how many percent?
Vanilla was 90 degree.
Percent. How many
90,
percent?
1 by 4, 25%.
Ma'am, should I show?
Yeah, see, show me. Okay, very nice. Amar, yours is also correct. Okay, now I'll give you a table. So a person has purchased various items. Okay, they have purchased some ordinary bread, like the normal bread that we eat at home, for 320 rupees. Okay, then the person has purchased some fruit bread for 80 rupees, cakes and pastries for 160 rupees, biscuits for 120 rupees, and other things for 40 rupees. So total bill is 720 rupees. Now you have to draw a pie chart of it. See,
Yes,
listen
ma'am.
very carefully. What you will do is, you will first of all take out the fraction of everything. How will you take out the fraction? For ordinary bread, what will be the fraction?
320 by 720.
Very nice. 320 by 720. For fruit bread, it will be 80 by 720. For cake and pastries, 160 by 720. Just solve it also. Okay. This one is for you guys. Just solve the answers.
Ma'am, the question also you have to write, like the
No,
table.
no need to write the question.
Ma'am, I have to draw a whole pie chart
Yes, you have to
of
draw pie.
this.
We got the angle.
Okay, show me your pie chart.
No, ma'am, I said I got the angle, so I'm going to draw the pie chart.
Okay. Have you guys done?
Mhm.
If you have any problem, I can tell you. Or are you able to do?
Uh,
Okay, let's discuss once. So we have, are you guys listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please look here. So what are the percentages that you're getting? First of all, you'll do 320 upon 420 and whatever you
Ma'am,
get, you will, please look here. You will multiply with 360, right? So here you'll get,
Ma'am, it is divisible, right?
yeah, 36 into 2. You'll get 16 degree. You'll get 40. You'll get 80. You'll get 60 degree. And finally, for the last one, you'll get 20 degree. Okay, now you have all the variations with you. Now, can you easily draw the pie chart? You simply have to. Did anybody of you draw the pie chart?
yes, ma'am, I'm drawing.
Okay, so first of all, you will have the center with you. You will draw one radius, one straight line. Then you will keep your compass over here and you will check for the largest one. So the largest is 40 degrees. So first, always draw the largest one. Draw 80 degree. So 80 degree will be somewhere here, right? This is 80 degree. So 80 degree was for cakes and pastries. Then it is 60 degree. Just keep your compass here and draw 60 degree. 60 degree will look something like this. Okay, this is 60 degree. This was 80 degree. Then you have 40 degree. So 40 degree looks something like this. Okay. Then you have 20 degree. Something is missing. 80, 60. Something is missing. Wait. This, all of this is not equal to 360. Let me recheck the question. It's 320. Okay, I'm sorry. This should be 160. Okay. And this was one, biscuits was 120. You have 160, 40, 86. Yeah. This was not 16 degree. Instead, this was 160 degree. Then you draw 160, then you draw 20, and then you draw 40. Okay. Please draw the pie chart and show me. Has someone drawn?
About can I show?
Yes, sure. Bring it a little closer. Okay. Okay, it seems to be correct only. Aswan, did you properly measure the angles?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, once recheck them as well. Recheck them. Measure them again. Amar, have you drawn?
Yes, ma'am. I'm on the last one.
Okay.
Can I show?
Yes, show. Show your work. Correct. Nice. Okay, very good, both of you. I guess now you must have learned how to draw a pie chart. Do you guys have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Now I shall be giving you a few homework to draw the pie charts. Okay, and